Hey, it's Aran here. I wanted to record an over-the-shoulder tutorial and review on the software called TailorBrands.com. This particular software gives you a number of things which are really valuable, especially if you're on a low budget in starting your online business. And one of them primarily is creating a logo and also getting the right hex codes. Now you can of course use Canva.com, which I personally love using as well. And I can record a different tutorial on Canva.com. But I did come across this software and I felt it would be valuable to record a tutorial to show you how to do it. There is another feature which is really good there, which you can create a virtual business card, which kind of acts like a link tree. This is not a good feature. You can also use it and it seems to have worked just fine. Now, there's other features there such as buying a domain name and setting up a custom email address. I do not recommend you use those features or setting up your website. I don't feel these features are really necessary. There's better and cheaper options out there for the same thing, so I do not recommend it. But in terms of the logo creation, I felt this is a really good value. And also the business card is not too bad either. So I'm gonna show you over the shoulder exactly how to do it. And also, I really didn't see too much value in actually signing up for a subscription, but there is value in paying one time for the logo. Now, the way you do the one time is you'd actually pay for the subscription, download your logo, and cancel. So either way, I'm showing you how to do all of that in this tutorial. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen and you can see how it's done from A to Z.
So you're going to go to Logo Maker. You're going to type the logo name. So for example, Around Funnels, building websites together. Let's just say, create a logo. What are you offering or intend to offer? So I'm going to say, in this case, services. Enter your industry. We're going to say website design. Say funnel design. I'm a freelance funnel builder who helps people launch their website so they can start selling their courses, memberships, and digital products online. Okay. Icon based generic shape. Select up to 5 icons. Let's just go with this. What font do I like? I like the bolder. Oh, how many fonts? Choose 3 styles. I like the trendy and I like the rounded. Next, designing my logo, creating my business card, planning social media posts. Okay, now I need to create an account. I'm going to use LastPass, generate a password. And now you'll see there's a bunch of logo examples. That's nice. A bunch of examples here. Can't say I'm in love with them, but you know, it's kind of cool. Click on see more. Let's just say I'm going to go with this one, just for the sake of demonstration. Nice. Branded websites. Let's click on customize it. Change the tagline specifically. This one. The name. Okay, so this is you customizing the name basically. Yep. Now let's change the text. Building websites together. Styles, icon size, color. So now we got different palettes as well. You can change. Click on it and give it a second to load. That's cool. The layout. Okay. The position. How about this one? This looks cooler. icon. Let's change it a bit. So a lot of funnel things. Let's do flywheel. Search for the word funnel again. Let's pick this one. Look at that. That looks cool. Okay, my icons. Abstract. Okay, shapes. Type. Let's go for a thin version. Cool. Classy. No. Rounded. No, I don't like it at all. Trendy. It's nice. Taller. No. Bolder. Yeah, I prefer that. Okay, fonts. Tagline. So the tagline, we'll leave it at that. The name, we're gonna go for this one. Or this one. Or this one. This one. Let's go for this one. Okay. Text, that's fine. Shapes. Icons. Make the icon a bit bigger. See, it's made it a bit bigger. Okay. Color. It's a nicer color. No. Okay, we're happy with that. We're happy with that. You can see how you can just play with it, really. It feels funny having these colors because it's not actually my colors. But anyway, just for the sake of demonstration. Okay, let's go with this one. Alright, play with it enough. Let's click on finish. I'm finished. Download your files. Upgrade. What's the upgrade? Let's have a look. So, full ownership of your logo. Okay, so you can sign up for either one of them. I mean, I would just go with this one. I wouldn't worry about anything else. You can pay $10 and basically get this made. Full ownership, social media, transparent, colored. Have the honeycomb extension so you can get a discount. Saved $5. Continue to checkout. Proceed. It will try to upsell me, switch to an annual plan. I'm going to cancel. I've made a payment now, so let's just see. Your logo is only the beginning. Let's go. So now I can download. Once you download this logo, you won't be able to change its font. Now it's downloaded here. I'm going to click to open it. Here are the logos. Look at that. This is great. Excellent. Now in terms of get a domain name, don't worry about it. Register your LLC. I'm in Australia, so it doesn't matter. Set up a professional email address. Let's just have a look at what it says. I actually don't recommend using it here, so don't worry about that. Yeah, they basically sent you to Google Workspace. Okay, so you can ignore all of that stuff. Digital business card. Okay, that's nice. Pick a color like that. Next, put a photo. Okay. Add your information. Click on a new link. Okay, so you can have other things, which is great. PayPal, that's nice. Publish a digital card. Share your digital card, that's good. So you can pick up your phone and actually test to see if this QR code works as well. And see what it looks like on your phone. It looks great. It opens, it works. Very cool. Copy the link, save the image, so you got a QR code. List your products. Okay. So now, let's just go back. Let's click on graphic design, create. Okay, so you can create some sort of a background, like these. It's cool. Next. Start creating. I wouldn't worry about any of this. Canva is going to be much better to do any of this stuff. Okay, so we've got the logo done. If you need to incorporate, you can obviously set up an LLC. I don't know much about it, so you can explore that option separately if you're in the US. Now on the upgrade button, this is my current plan. So I'm going to just cancel my subscription because I was just doing it for demo purposes. But I got a nice little logo out of it. Obviously I'm not going to use it because I already have one. Now if I deactivate, I won't be able to edit my logo. I will lose access to the website, which I didn't create anyway, and I won't be able to create social posts for Instagram. So I'm going to delete my account. Choose reason. I just wanted a logo. Okay, hibernation the account so you can keep the assets. Okay, so now it's cancelled. It's good. It's fine. But the good news is we've got a logo made. I've downloaded it. And so on. So you don't have to worry about anything else. Just make your logo. And, you know, then you can be done. You don't have to buy anything or do anything else. I just suggest the logo, basically. And of course, make sure you download the file. You can share it. Let's have a look what this looks like on incognito. Check out my new logo. Nice. Click on Get Your Files. Okay, so this is the brand book, which is great. What font, what is the hex codes, you get all here. This is great. Now, I'm not seeing a way to download this, unfortunately. So what you want to do, you want to click on go full page. And then this Chrome extension saved your entire thing, basically. Now, in terms of, I'm on the paid plan of Go Full Page, so I can do something a little bit more. For example, I can trim it, right? So that's something that you can do. So you can crop the image, so you could see like this. I can actually make it smaller like this. If you're not on a paid plan, you can't do that, so it doesn't really matter. But you can see, here's the brand book, and all the information is like this, which is great for me. But you could do the Go Full Page as you have it. Then you would download it as a PDF, and then you would send it to me, or send it to my team, or send it to your graphic designer, or to your website designer, and you would use, this would be the hex codes, basically. Okay, let's go back. Click on back. Click on get your files again. You can see that you've got different sizes you can download as well. See if you want it for your email. So download the email signature. For your Instagram profile. For your Facebook picture, if you've got a business page. For your Twitter profile picture. Twitter, Pinterest, to your Pinterest picture. For your channel cover picture. Excellent, excellent. Let's have a look at that for a second. So you just gotta download it, basically. Here it is. It's good. Make sure you download this vector. Okay, this is on the higher plans. If you want that. Content planner. Okay, so it gives you some ideas on when you can post. That's nice for October. I guess for every month it will kind of send you something. That's great. Presentations. 14-page customizable. I wouldn't worry about that. You're just gonna do it on Canva anyway. But you get the idea. Basically, I got a logo for $5, right? Because I had used Honeycomb extension as well. Okay. You can explore the LLC if you need. Don't worry about the website. You know, you'd have your own platform for this stuff. So I just wouldn't worry about any of this. This cheaper, easier, better options. Yeah, there's various reasons why I just want to use this. But you get your logo done. Awesome, awesome.